Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you the easiest place to unlock the dining chair and most of the lab chair, if not all of the lab chair, inside of Subnautica 2 here today. Because there's a lot of blueprints for a lot of different stuff, and if you want to decorate your base properly, you're going to have to do some serious exploring. So with that in mind, we're going to literally head straight to the north, kind of to like North 15 a little bit, from the Lifepod, because that's literally where we just were was the Lifepod. And we're going to go a cruising. And the place that we're going is the old habitat, because there's literally everything there, at least for a lot of the basic stuff that we're looking for. So as we kind of get towards the north, and we get right next to the Angel Comb here, we're going to look to the northeast, and there's going to be this little ravine here with an underwater current. Go ahead and jump in this underwater current down here, and that's going to take you perfectly to the old habitat. Now, if you need coordinates to the old habitat, because you like to navigate with coordinates, that's not a problem. You can see the coordinates right down here in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. You can use different mapping applications to see where this is, like the interactive map online, and then, you know, go from there. So we're going to park outside of the welcome home sign. This is the whole old habitat building. We're going to park right here because there's a hole in the floor, and we don't use doors like normal people around here, I will have you know. So we're going to swim up into here, and here you can start finding a whole bunch of fragments, including a lab chair. Yeah, it's the lab chair. There's a poster, and then there's the first of the dining room table. So go ahead and scan that dining room table. Here's another one, and then there's another one upstairs. Congratulations, you just unlocked the dining room table. There might be another chair over here somewhere. There is. Go ahead and scan this lab chair. I think that might actually be all you need for the lab chair. And then here's another dining table. Once you've got that, you can go upstairs, and here you will find an additional dining table, a dining chair, another dining chair, and somewhere we will find yet another dining chair right over here. So that should be your dining chair needs sorted out, along with your lab chair and also your dining table. If you're still having problems because, well, let's be honest, it's an early access game, bugs happen, you can find additional chairs as you go through the rest of the base. There's also a bioreactor scannable. There's several stools that you can scan throughout the entire facility. Apparently I left some pulp on the ground, and I can scan it. Oh, would you look at that? There's also some power cell charging scannables in here, the spotlight, a small coral jar, and then like a wake maker. And then way up here is the last of this area, where you can find another lab chair, a couple more lab chairs, another dining table, and a couple more blueprints are up here as well, and another lab chair. So that should basically keep you covered for all of those things if you're missing any of them. So I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. This has been where to find basically all of that stuff.